Delighted to announce that CA Zubair Khan sir's regular classes are now available on our website kmrclasses.com, and we have with us our accounts faculty for CA Intermediate, CA Zubair Khan sir, to share the complete details about his new advanced accounting product, which will be made applicable for the May 2026 examinations and onwards. So the great accounting classes that you are going to experience with concept, exam questions, 100% everything will be covered in the class itself, such that you need not put any kind of effort at home. Everything will be covered in the classes and during the classes. So let's have a pleasure to know about the complete details about the accounting classes, such that you can plan your accounting classes for the May 2026 or September 26 or Jan 27. So let's have Zubair Khan sir to have an interaction with us to explain completely about the product and what great things he's going to share. I am also excited to know. So let's meet him first. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I'm really happy to, first of all, I want to say thanks to you for this such a wonderful association, sir, that we want to make it the account so simple for all the students there, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
generally, students are under the impression that advanced accounting is a very difficult subject, and so many students they do the C intermediate after they're completing their graduation, sir.
Yes, yes.
So we are going to take into consideration their point of view. That's why I plan, in addition to these advanced accounting classes, we are also going to provide them the series of the basics of accounting. So it will help them before they watch the videos of intermediate. They have to watch these around 20 hours video on the basics of accounting.
Yeah.
And they will feel so much confident after watching these basics of accounting series that, and when they will
Yes.
start the chapters of the CA intermediate advanced accounting, it will be easy for them.
Okay, sir. So then
And
I need to add a
sure.
word, sir. So all the students, what is the thought process of Zubair sir is, in the recent trends of CA intermediate, when we observe, majority of the students who are getting enrolled for CA intermediate are coming from graduation than coming from foundation. So problem is, at the level of graduation, the preparation standard of the student might be little lesser when you compare with the professional standard of what they learn at CA foundation. Therefore, there is every chance that a student may not have complete equipped knowledge of basics of accounting. See, everyone will be having a basic knowledge of accounting, what is a debit, what is a credit. But in the debit credit itself, there will be a lot of loopholes which he need to learn in order to make himself confident at CA interlevel, because CA intermediate papers are not like foundation or graduation papers. It will be a level of tricky will be involved, and it will also involve a lot of professional calculations which require a very good what to say, the backing of knowledge of fundamentals of accounting. So what Zubair sir is doing is, along with his intermediate classes, he will be providing 20 hours of free basics of accounting classes, which will make you 100% confident on basics, such that whatever the sir takes at intermediate level, you will feel confident and comfortable as well. And if a student feel that he is already confident at fundamentals, he can skip that, directly he can go for the direct intermediate classes what sir will give us. So this is what the point you wanted to tell, right, sir?
Correct, sir.
Yes.
Correct.
So, sir, when coming to certain things, I have some questions.
Sure, sir.
These are all the questions that comes to the mind of the student. On behalf of all the students, I'm asking you, please try to give a reply to all the questions that I'm going to ask us, that our students will be having clarity and as well as confidence.
Sure, sir.
So, number one, these are regular classes or fast track classes?
So these are the regular classes, sir, in
Regular
which
classes.
we are going to cover all the concept and all the question of RTP, MTP, previous examination, IC study materials.
Yes, sir. Second thing, this will be applicable from which attempt onwards?
Sir, May 26 and onwards, sir. If
Okay, so
anyone is
May
appearing
20,
in
that means this product we can use it for 1 year, 100%.
exactly, sir. Exactly,
From
sir.
May till Jan 27, they can use it confidently.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So students, you can now understand, these are regular classes, not like before. You can never experience accounts classes like this before. So with ultimate confidence, how much trust you have on me, you can put complete trust and you can take the classes. You will experience the best classes for CA intermediate accountancy. So with regard to that, what sir is going to tell is the classes which are available on the website are applicable for May 26, September 26, also for Jan 27. And so third thing is, sir, how many hours approximately the product will go on? These
Sir,
regular
it will,
classes.
sir, it will be around 200 hours, sir. We are
Oh,
going to
super.
cover the entire syllabus.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is next very important thing, because in order to plan your preparation, first you need to know the number of hours in the product. So as sir has already said, there will be totally approximately. So 10-15 hours plus and minus will be there. So
Correct,
200
sir.
hours of the product will be available, covering 100% syllabus. There is a nothing to leave. Each and every concept will be covered. And very most important thing that I wanted to make an honorable mention is, sir is going to cover study material, RTPs, MTPs, and previous year papers, which you will not find elsewhere. Complete coverage will be there. Now, sir will be explaining us about his books. The gold part, or technically I can call it the diamond part of Zubair sir's classes, is the books. The way he prepared the books. Actually, now I am trying to replicate his style, because I was really impressed by the way he's preparing his books. So he will be showing us, showcasing us his books regarding the accounts. So, sir, you can please display your books. Before that, please tell what are all the books you are going to provide along with these regular classes. It's one
Okay,
book
sir.
or two books? How many books will be given?
Sir, 4 books are total, sir, that.
So,
So let me
four books,
share
sir,
the
is
book.
going to give. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay, let me share the book, sir, so student can see that here. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Visible, sir. Okay, let me explain one by one. So this is the first book, and it's a concept book. We call it Rapid GIS book, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
what happens, sir? Student face a problem before the examination. They attend the class, sir, but they are not able to do the revision multiple times. This is the
Okay.
problem they face. These books are beautifully drafted, sir. First of all, it's a concept book, colored book, sir. You can see there's a revision tracker, sir. The student have to do a 4-time revision. Proper table is mentioned there. How to do that, sir, for each and every topic, sir. And here, what is my approach, sir? Here, for each and every chapter, sir, what we do that here, it's the concept book. All the concept are covered here, and I give them the chapter roadmap. As you can see that
Okay.
here on screen, suppose this is
Yes, yes,
chapter
yes.
number 1, financial statement of companies. So they know that what we are going to cover in these chapter. It's a chapter roadmap, sir. But what is important, sir, here in the chapter roadmap, we are going to cover each and everything we cover there, okay, sir? And
Okay.
what happened? Student know that, sir, okay? Student know that here now is what I'm to cover. For example, the chapter is amalgamation of companies, sir. It's a little bit a difficult chapter. And for every chapter we do that, sir. I
Okay.
also give them, sir, this is very important, that is last minute mastery question. Suppose in class, we solve 50 question on amalgamation. I know that, sir. A student has to cover 6 paper. They don't have enough time before the examination to
Yes.
solve all those 50 questions, even though we are to cover in class. So
Okay.
what I tell them, sir, in the class, at the end of each chapter, I give them, for example, in this amalgamation chapter, there's a concept called a purchase consideration. So I
Yes,
will
which
tell
is
them at the
obviously
time.
the most important adjustment.
Yes, sir. So at the
Hmm.
time of revision, which question number you have to cover from my book, sir? So
Okay.
out of those 50 question example, they just have to cover 25, 30. It means it will be 50% or 60% question that they have to do revision,
Yes.
sir. So the
Yes. Yes.
time will reduce, sir, at the time of revision, because they don't have
Yes.
just advanced accounting, sir. They have
Yes.
six
Yes.
papers, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
So, and here in these book, you will see that, sir. Here it summarizes all the ICA concept in one book, sir. And all the concept are mentioned, sir, that here in a less amount of pages, sir. As like, if I show you that, sir, for example, sir, accounting standard, if I talk about the accounting standard, sir, you can see that here, this is accounting standard number, suppose 5th, sir. And for every chapter, including the accounting standard, I give them this LMM question number, sir. You can see that 1 page, 2 page, and in 3 page only, sir. We have covered the
Okay.
entire accounting standard, sir, without losing any concept. So
Okay.
before the examination, suppose they have a paper today, in a
Okay.
3 hours, sir, I'm damn sure in a 3 hours, sir, they can revise this entire book, sir. All the accounting standard, all the chapters, sir.
Oh,
This is the
so
beauty of
this
this book.
is great news. So what sir is extremely confident is, before examination, it takes hardly 3 hours. So let's take another 1 hour time. Four
Yes, sir.
hours you can complete entire rapid gist book which will be loaded with the full concepts of accounting as applicable for your examination. As sir said, he is not going to leave even a single concept, but he summarizes everything to the extent applicable for your exam and to the extent needed for the examination. Right, sir?
Right, sir. Okay.
Yes.
This is about, sir, the concept book, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, second
So
is
my
that
question, sir, now what student can get it out? So in the class, when you explain a concept, they need to open this book.
exactly, they don't have to write any concept, sir. They just
Okay.
have to listen me, sir. Okay.
Okay.
And what happens? If I'm writing anything, I'm giving examples, sir, that here. For example, something I have written here. For example, this is
Okay.
book, sir. Let's say the chapter number 1. If when I solve in class, I write it down something here in this book also. You can see that
Okay.
here. Okay, this is mine. So
So this is
whatever I'm
rapid gist only, right?
rapid gist book only, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever I am writing, if I am given any example, I am writing something, they have to write it down in this book, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so I write it down something here. Rarely they are, if I'm giving some example like this, sir, they have to do the same. They just have to do the copy paste there, sir.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Okay. And you have to listen me carefully. Point number 1, sir. Now, sir, what happened? It will help to do the entire revision in a very less amount of. In fact, sir, during the self study period, sir, they can do the revision of account 3 times easily, sir, because of these
Okay.
strategies, sir.
Okay.
Second book, sir, there are 2 question bank books, sir. First question bank
Okay.
is on
So
the
students note that one book is for rapid gist. That will be summary of entire accountancy to cover within 3 to 4 hours before examination. It's a confidence booster. And now sir is going into the question bank, which will be loaded with hundreds and hundreds of questions. It covers, as sir already said us, it covers RTP, MTP, previous year papers, as well as it will cover the concepts relating to the ISM. So we are not going to leave any question. Your 90 plus in accountancy is the assurance that sir can give if you go as per the strategy and the schedules what the sir has provided. So you can continue, sir.
yes, sir. Sir, what happened? There are 2 question bank book. First is this book, sir, that is other than accounting standards, sir. So
Okay.
what happened in you first of all, student asked me, sir, is there a need to refer the ICA study book? I'm not saying don't refer, but let me tell you honestly, there is no need to refer any other book. It's a
Okay.
final, sir. I tell you why, sir. Here in my book, sir, RTP, MTP, sir, okay? The previous examination question, IC study material question, and some other question as well, sir. So what happened? Let me give an example, sir. Suppose this chapter number 2, that is a buyback of securities. So you can see
Okay.
that, sir, here now. I
Yes,
give the
yes, yes.
reference, sir. IC study material question. Similar came in RT November 20, the RTP May 20. You can see that, sir. For example, it's a November 2019 question, sir.
Okay.
It's a
Sir,
IC study material
now the
question.
question is, sir, sorry to interrupt, sir, but my question is, now you have given the questions displaying on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Now, where the answer will be available below that
Yes,
or
sir.
separate?
Sir, let me tell you, sir, every chapter, there are 2 parts in every chapter, sir.
So
Okay.
listen to sir what sir has said, so that
Okay.
you can understand how the book is prepared. Yes, sir, you can continue,
Okay.
sir.
So 2 part of every chapter, sir. The first part is the class question, sir. As you can see that here, sir, the first part is the class question, sir. This class question I am going to solve in class, sir. Okay,
Oh,
sir.
super, super, sir. Yes.
And student have this hard copy of this book. They have this book when they watch the lecture, sir, and they have to solve with me, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So for the class question, for this company's account question bank, there is no solutions there, sir. That
Okay.
they have to solve with me, sir. Okay.
Oh,
What I do that, sir, then I give them the homework, sir. For example, I'm giving any homework, sir. So this is a homework question. So they will see the class question and the homework question. But for the homework question, you will see that, sir, this is a question, suppose homework question. You will see
okay.
the solution is given, sir, there.
Oh,
Why, sir?
super.
They
Then
will
it's
do,
very easy for them. They need to practice.
yeah, they need to practice, sir. If they
Okay.
stuck on some point, okay, so they will see the solution where they have done some mistakes, sir.
Yes.
Still, if they have a doubt, we have a dedicated WhatsApp group. We'll discuss. They can send a message me there, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And what happens, sir, when I give them the homework daily, sir? I tell them, for example, I'm giving you this question number suppose 17. So I will tell them today's homework is question number 17. 99% it will be the same point what we have covered in the class. But if
Okay.
any new thing that might get confused, so I will explain them in class only. This is the homework you have today. And on these point, you might get confused. So remember these adjustment. And then I give them homework, sir.
Okay, sir. Done, done. Super, sir. So there are two partitions in your question bank. One will be classroom questions, and another one will be the homework question. And homework questions will be 99% similar to what they have done in classroom, with some minor small changes that student can manage. If at all there is any kind of doubt, we will be having one dedicated accounts WhatsApp group. There they can put their messages as a doubts. Right, sir?
Right, sir.
And
Sir,
all the students for the accountancy, we are opening one dedicated WhatsApp doubt solving group wherein you can put your doubts, and sir will be available between 10 and 6 o'clock. 10 a.m. to 6 o'clock, sir will be available. You can put your doubts, sir will be ready to clarify. You can put your doubts even after that time, but sir will be answering in the morning 10 o'clock.
yes, sir. Correct, sir. Okay, sir. Now, sir, the third book is that here. That is a question bank book, sir, which is on the accounting standards, sir. Okay.
So first question bank book
yeah,
will be non-accounting standard
correct, sir.
chapters.
Correct, sir.
All buyback or amalgamation, consolidation, all these comes under question bank 1.
Correct, sir.
So all other accounting standards is partitioned into question bank volume 2.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Oh, great thing. So students, you should understand, sir is now going to bifurcate his question bank volumes into 2 parts. Part 1 will be dedicated non-AS, like amalgamation, consolidation, buyback of securities, company accounts, final accounts preparation, financial statements. All these will be partitioned into volume 1. And the accounting standards part will be partitioned into volume 2, such that while you are preparing, confusion will not be there. Sir, and moreover, I have one small doubt, sir. You can clarify this. Point number 1, how many marks are generally coming from non-AS and from AS?
Sir, what happened? First of all, sir, from accounting standard, when I say, sir, I'm in accounting standard series, 4 chapters, which is a full-fledged main chapters I cover, sir. That is a consolidation, is the AS21. Amalgamation is AS14. Sir, investment account is 13 and cash flow is AS the 3, sir. I'm saying these 4 accounting standards, sir, which basically a part of the first book, sir, because the full-fledged question comes on 14 marks on amalgamation consolidation. Including those 4 chapters, sir, they're on total accounting standard. The questions come around 65 marks, sir.
Okay.
65.
No, sir. You tell from the point of view of question bank.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, question bank, what you said, sir?
You say the approximate marks from the question bank point of view. Volume 1, volume 2.
Okay, both. So you're saying, sir, all the volume 1. So volume 1, if I say that here from the question bank point of view, say, you can say, sir, a 50-50 it is, sir.
50-50. So any book he prepare, 50 marks is assured.
Yes, sir.
That's why. Because at the level of a student, we want only student to get 70 plus in accountancy. That's it. We don't want anything. So that's what the only assurance that we need from you.
Sir, one thing I want to promise to all the students, sir, that if they follow my instructions, sir, first of all, they don't need to have to refer any other book, sir. And I will train them like that so they can do the multiple revision with in-depth concept knowledge, sir. I believe that, sir, if they follow my instruction, they can score 80 plus in advanced accounting, sir.
Yes,
it will be easy for them.
I don't want anything, sir. My students who are coming here should get, and a good faculty like you should train them such that they should get 80 plus in that paper. That's it, sir. So for that, what is required, you tell, they will be doing it 100%.
Thank you, sir. And sir, the last
thing, MCQ book, sir.
Yes, sir. Last book is that, sir, the MCQ book. As we know, that's it. Here, the MCQ comes in the examination. But what happens, sir, when MCQ come is ICI nowadays, they are not asking a simple MCQ, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are out of 30 marks, sir. What they're doing, sir? Rarely they're asking for the 6 marks on the simple. It means simple, plain the MCQ, sir. Rarely. And most probably they have to solve a minimum 24 mark case study base, or it might be even for the 30 marks, sir, case study base. So what I have done in these books, sir, there are the MCQs, which is simple on the chapter wise, sir, without a case study, sir. Okay. But beautifully what we have done, sir, on a topic wise case studies MCQs. For example, sir, this is a topic, you can see that the buyback of securities, sir. So their case study numbers, sir, from 1 to 6 case studies question on this buyback of securities. So when I cover the chapter, sir, suppose buyback of securities we finish in the class. So in here from these book, at the end of the chapter, I am to solve all those case studies based, sir, the case scenario based MCQs, sir, that here. So all the case scenario based on all, you can see the topic wise it is arranged, sir, that here. AS wise, chapter wise, like that, sir, on a sequence, sir, that here. So
yes, sir. Yes,
there are so many case studies.
What sir is going to tell is there are a lot of case scenario based questions in MCQs coming in exam. Therefore, in the class, in this regular class, when sir is going to cover any concept, he will cover the question bank First concept, next question bank, and the case-based MCQs also he will be solving. So student is required to solve only the direct MCQs for his practice. That's it,
Correct, sir. Correct. And that, yes, sir, that too very simple. Mainly the case study. In fact, sir, I will tell them the strategies in everything, sir. Even the case scenario based question, how to save the time in the examination. What should be the proper approach to cover the entire syllabus in 2 hours, 45 minutes. So they have a 15 minutes to go through the once again to the paper, sir.
Okay, super, sir. Yeah. Next, sir. So MCQ book also you have shown, the dedicated WhatsApp group we will put, and the product validity will be for 9 months. So this is for the consideration of all the students. So the product validity will be 9 months, and we are providing the classes at a good, very good affordable prices that will be reaching all the students. We are pricing at 6,000. So get the best out of it. This is available for the first 50 admissions of the students. We are putting at 6,000. Later on, it will be 8. So get the classes where before the offer ends. For the first 50 students, we are announcing at a just affordable price of 6,000 rupees. So for the best classes in India regarding the advanced accounting, covering so many books, you need not refer to any kind of ICA study material, RTP, MTP, because they are all included in this source material. So we are not against to the books of ICA, because he himself is covering all the questions of ICA within his 4 books. So you need not have any burden of reading any study material separately, RTP separately. And moreover, if you are taking classes now and you are writing examination for September, any amendments or any additions comes in the material or in the classes or anything, sir will be uploading it separately in the app, such that those who are taking now but writing for September, and any amendments that comes interim in between them, that will also be covered. 100% assurance will be given. Right, sir?
Correct, sir. Sir, one more thing, that not only just amendments, sir. Even for example, someone is appearing, say, September 26th. If any important thing comes in between, sir. For example, in May attempt something comes, sir. So I make a separate video for that and I upload in the app additional discussions, sir. So before their examination, they don't have to worry, sir, if any RTP, MTP is going to come. So they don't have to worry. Everything I will cover there, sir, in that particular app. And the most important, they don't have to worry for the revision lecture. 100% all chapters revision lectures already uploaded there, sir, on your YouTube channel, sir. They will find it out there.
So you can go to my YouTube channel. Sir has uploaded a ton of videos there already. You can see the quality. Okay, those are all just revision classes. If revision is like that, how the regular will be, you can quantify the quality as well. So this is a great opportunity for all of you, and a great news for all of you. For the Christmas, New Year and the Pongal Eve, we are having Group 1 full combo. So my classes regarding the law, my DT classes, Lizil sir's IDT class, and Zubair sir's accountancy class, all the classes are available as a group. So this is a great opportunity for all the students to get all the classes at affordable price for your May 26 examinations. So all the very best, and really big thanks for Zubair sir for getting associated. His association is always a pride to us, and it's a great thing that we are associating with the best faculty for the accountancy, which I am looking forward for so many number of years. So thank you very much, sir, for accepting my invitation as well to join the classes. And we will be seeing definitely great things to come ahead. So if there is any final word from your side about the regular classes, you can share it with the students, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me an opportunity to teach at your platform, sir. To be honest, sir, my tagline is also, sir, simplify the accounts like never before. So people are generally, students presume that it's a very difficult. It's not at all a difficult subject. That's why we are taking a basic and then we'll come to inter. And trust me, each and every student who are watching this video, you can score 80 plus in advanced accounting. And I promise to all of you will never ever regret, any students that they are going to score 80 plus in advanced accounting, and we will simplify them and it will help them to get in, to clear the single group, or if they're appearing for the both group, for the aggregate, definitely advanced accounting is going to be a game changer for them.
Yes,
thank
sir,
you so much, sir.
So thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.